time. It's showtime! And once again, Villarreal ngayon, medyo na-stranded na nakawad ka agad. And Shaw in front at top of the rainbow. Unang tapot, unang kulang sa pangalawang pagtirada. That's good for 2 points. And once again, aantak yung Rangers si number 14. That's good for 2 points. Nailigas kayo na magtitimon. And at this and once again, sa may bandang gitna, Warnes Vision, that's not corrected. Ako ang Cocomelon. Kumahiga nga po sa paglapagang wala pa rin. Ito ulit yung sila po 29. Ibibigay sa ulit yung sila po 14 na magdidimon. And shot clock natin, down to 14. Speed na ngayon, ang Melendres. Ang Melendres na pagbuksan ang Stephen Curry. Wearing jersey number 30. That's good for 3 points. And for Asim Oscar, that's good for 2 points. Ganga po, that is 4-5 situation. Abante po ng 10 puntos itong team ng BRB. Esme na ngayon, mahanap ang papasahan. Nakita ko pa sa may bandang ilalim, kick out. Last 8 to shoot. Esme na ngayon, kick out. Melendres, ulitin sa may bandang malayuan. Kinulang sa budget. That's good 2 points. Yung Warinok kumuha ng dalawa. E 3 minuto at 53 segundos po yung ating binabaybayat nilalakbay sa pagkakatunggan. And for the first quarter of this ball game, hahanapin and De La Cruz yan maghahanap magtitimon. 8 seconds to shoot. Last 5 to shoot. De La Cruz 3. That's collected. That's good for 2 points. Last minute in 23 seconds. And that's good for 2 points. De La Cruz bibigay. And once again, it's Minda. So he goes for the 3-point line. That's one. Come on, man. For 3 points. Yung Nailigas kumabada for the 3-point line. Last minute in 47 seconds remaining time. And for the first quarter of this ball game, 6-12 ang ating talaan. And once again, medyo na at malas ka lang doon. That's all. Yung De La Cruz, wearing jersey number 8, magkagalugad. Ito wearing jersey number 13, magkagalap magtitimon. That's not connected for the rebound. 6 and 12 seconds. De La Cruz from the top, that is normal. Ito wearing jersey number 14, Camille Andres for the fairway. That's all. Kinulang sa budget si Bossing.
Bigay na!
And up and under, that's good for 2 points. Esmeda ngayon. Esmeda ngayon, wala dyan sa number 3. Swimming in for the 10 second. Milyaran. Hahanapin, manggagalungay, that's not connected, that's all. And once again for the third round, wala pa rin si Bossing. Hinanap sa minanang ball game in 8-12 yung ating kalakan at pinanin punta tayong inabot doon. Wara nice clean block to shoot, last 80 to shoot. Sa may bandang gitnaan ni Warriors number 29. Sa pagtirada may kaya nga po merong mapipituhan. Ayaw sige sa may bandang kailaliman. Lost and to shoot. Naka-atake magkagalugan for the 100. That's good for 2 points. Kunting Balikan pa si Mr. De La Cruz doon. Ito ulit yung sila muli naman Timur maghanap ng espasyo. 13 seconds to shoot. Ela sagad, what a nice steal, what a nice steal. Ang ngunit 17 po yung ating talaan. Last 15 second on shot clock. 34 second remaining time. Asayo ibibigay sa may bandang gilid. May nga nga po at sumabay naman. That's good! 2 points! 25 second. And after that, sa pagka-ihip sa may bandang ilalim. Kamoy shot clock. Last 17 second. Yung malaking mama, pasimpleng mirada. That's good! 2 points! Ayan this last 5 second. 4 second. That's good. 2 points.